Welcome to Workshop Rebuild. We are going to be working on the Bobcat 753. This was previously a winter rebuild and we brought it to this stage, and now we're going to do the final touches. We're going to have the Bobcat decals right here. The logo is going to go right here. The number 753 will go right here, and on towards the back, same thing. It'll be a big Bobcat sticker right here, and we're gonna have to put the new rubber grommets on the back lights right here. One right here and one right here. Those are for the reverse. What we're also gonna have to do is clean up the engine bay. We're gonna have to tidy it up here, make the wiring and all the hoses look a little bit neat. We're gonna have to vacuum the engine, and we're gonna have to attach the last little electrical on this side right here.